mare ngwa garela sojine wogu iwogu mayi bazala mare ngwa garela sojine wogu iwogu mayi agbazala mare ngwa garela sojine wogu gane wogu mayi
Haro kuna haro mo
bazala mare ngwa korela sojine wogu
iwogu mayi
bazala mare ngwa garela sojine wogu
iwogu mayi.
Hello, Jay. That's Jay.
Hi.
All right. So today, look, I look proper, right? I mean, I'm not dressing in my traditional ways like I always do. Well, we are spending a day around Tema. We're going to Ocean Beach Resort. We're going to spend a day in a pool, the seaside. You know, eat some good food, drink shandy. You know, spin off. Eat some tilapia, fried rice, assorted rice, you know, grill lobster, you know, all sorts. Yeah, so where we're going is in Prampram. Prampram is like a suburb of Tema. It's on the coast. The people there speak Ga. So, and where we are is in Greater Accra region. A lot of information for you. Where we're driving through now is Dawenya. Dawenya. Can you pronounce that? If you can pronounce it, please type the comment and say you just did it. Well, guys, let me show you guys how Dawenya look like. Somebody's drinking coconut. And here is Dawenya. This road actually leads to Aflao, Ada, Aqua Safari, Sugakope, where else? Togo, Aflao, Denu, Keta, Angloga, Reddington, Beach Resort. No go bo. Did you hear that? Where else? Agbozume, Akachi. Where else? Sege. Kliko, Agaveji, Wuti. All those places. So here, you can stop here, buy some bread, buy some chofi, you know, like a service. Yeah, you can buy water on the road. Waakye. That's halloumi. Oh wow, look at that. And you can see you can transport, you know, your beddings, yam, everything. So now, the next junction is going to take us through to Prampram. Driving to Prampram without traffic, it can be 30 minutes, yeah? But with traffic, sometimes 1 hour. Right, and there's a lot of resorts around Prampram, but the one we're going is a new, it's not just few of the guy on the bike. So we're going to a newly open resort. You have a very beautiful poolside. If you watch the previous video, I did a short video there, but we just stopped. We spent a full day there. It was very, very nice. Is it Kabobo? Kabobo. I believe it's called Kabobo. Tuk Tuk.
Kabobo.
That's a big car. Roads to Prampram look like. There's some Airbnbs here. There's a lot of estates going on here. You can see the place is developing so well. It's like a big city as well. Like a lot of Tema people prefer to stay here than staying in Accra because it's by the sea. And this is how you pronounce the town name: Prampram, like Pram. I can see a shell garage here, so you don't have any problem. One thing I realized, shell garages accept card. You just have to tell them that's your method of payment. Nope, I can see poultry farm. In Jamaican guest house, a hot tub. Look. There's an ash foam depot here. You can buy mattresses and get it delivered here and pick it up. There's a hotel here. From frozen food. There's a vulcanizers here. Oh no, if you're building a house and you need the windows. Prampram got everything. Big community. The MP for the area is his current communication minister, Sam George. All right. You can buy metal products down here. Prampram Hospital, and there's a Coca-Cola depot here, or drinks depot if you want to buy a lot of drinks for party. You don't have any problem. Oh, beautiful place. I don't know what that is. And here we're going straight. So down here, if you want to go to the main Prampram town, you can turn left, but we are going straight. And there's a chicken there if you want to buy live chicken. Or if you want to get the kabobo, turkey. Or if you want to get the tok-tok to the beach. Oh yes, it's ECG. There's an ECG office here, so if you want to top up or buy prepaid electric or water, you can go to the office and buy your token. I can see coconut, but I have coconut in the car, so we'll skip that for today. They have massive gutters here, which scares me.
It's good for them when it rains.
Yeah. Oh, Waakye. Hello. So, I've just stopped to buy some Waakye. Waakye is made with rice and beans. This is the community of the Prampram people, you know. And the time right now is about 10:30 in the morning, and you can see they're selling cassava, kotombre, and that's palm, where I believe that's a turkey bean. How do you call it? I don't know what it's called. Yeah, they sell all these things around here, so I just want to buy some Waakye here. So this is how they cook the Waakye in a big pot. Yeah, Bosu. So this is how the Waakye look like. It's rice and beans, and it's going to serve it in the leaves. Yeah, so you can see the Waakye is almost finished. So it's going to serve it from the how do you call it, the bowl. Yeah, look at that. That's very delicious looking. I can't wait to eat it. Oh my god. Have you open? You want to come in? Okay, yeah. I'm in Galita, Italia. I'm in Galifio. In your name, Tuesday. Hey, now I'm in Italia. You feel in here? Yeah. I'm in salad.
How about salad?
I'm in yourself. Yeah, Tuesday. Okay, I mean, stew kashito. It's what store here.
What? Not the store there.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah.
But still a time.
If I have a floppy, she's doing small FP. Yeah, nice one. Yeah, I'm a bee. I'm a bee. I'm a stop. Yeah. I'm in the two.
Roll two. Mama,
Now watch it. Where? Nice one. Nice one. Yeah, it's one. So the Waakye cost me 28 Ghana cedis. Very, very nice service. You can see the lady is selling kotombre and I think cassava. Yeah, guys, this is how my day is starting, and I'm going to swim in Prampram Ocean Beach Resort. Right. I don't know what's down there. Oh, hello. It's like a tuk-tuk station with a goat. Fine nice. Fine nice, fine nice. Yeah. Oh, maybe it does. Is that not where we went where it was raining?
I don't know.
We check it on our way back. So this is the road. We have to drive, I think, about 10-15 minutes to get to the road, to get to the resort. Golden Beach Resort is one of the first resorts that we go to. Is down there. You can see the sea. So to go to the Golden Beach Resort, you just have to turn on your left here, then probably drive for I think 3 minutes. Is there where the lot of coconut trees are? That's where the beach is. And there's also a hotel here called Pin Drop. I believe it's quite decent, you know. I don't think they have a pool, but you have to call them and check it out.
That's fine.
Is that it? Yeah. It's a lot of goats are having a nice snooze. Yeah. Guys, if you're enjoying the tour, consider liking the video and also share this video. You know, let us know what you think of Prampram. There's a lot of places here where you can
D-Club restaurant and hotel.
yeah, sit in the rooftop, have some few drinks. And there's a chow bar also here. Oh wow, it's open. It's definitely open. Is there another chow bar as well? Or it's a kebab place?
No, it's a bar.
Yeah, it's a bar. It's very airy there. You want to call the number, that's the number there. drive straight to the resort. The resort, they do have properties like they're selling. So if you want to buy any of the properties, you can contact them. And here is the entrance to the Ocean Beach Resort and Apartment. Yeah, where are you watching from? I really want to know. You know, I'm in Ghana, we're holiday, and I'm just chilling, taking time to chill, enjoy. Back to the summer in the we're going to grab some food, you know, some Sprite. I'm going to send the drone up just to show you guys how beautiful this place is. You know, if you want to book, you know, reach out to the number, you know, or you can click on the website and then book. Amazing result, you know, the sea is just like here.